Can the power of music truly transcend time and borders? If there's one person who has proven this possibility, it is the legendary Bob Marley. Born in Jamaica in 1945, Marley began his musical journey in the early 1960s, joining forces with Bunny Wailer and Peter Tosh to form the Wailers. Their unique blend of reggae, ska, and rocksteady quickly caught the world's attention, laying the foundation for Marley's rise to fame. But it wasn't just the infectious rhythms that drew people in. Marley's lyrics carried powerful messages of love, peace, unity, and social justice. He used his music to address political and cultural issues, establishing himself not only as a musician, but also a symbol of resistance and change. Marley's Rastafarian faith also played a significant role in his music. The themes of his faith resonated through his songs, adding depth and authenticity that attracted a diverse audience. Marley and the Wailers were known for their energetic and captivating live performances. Their shows became legendary, drawing fans from various backgrounds and further establishing Marley as a charismatic and influential performer. Marley's discography is filled with iconic albums. Catch a Fire, Exodus, and Legend have become cornerstones in the reggae genre, with Legend remaining one of the best-selling reggae albums of all time. Marley's music transcended borders and cultures. Its universal themes and infectious rhythms appealed to people worldwide, contributing to the globalization of reggae. His association with political movements, particularly in Jamaica, added to his influence. Marley's support for political change and activism elevated him to a symbol of resistance against oppression. Despite his untimely death in 1981, Marley's legacy has endured. The release of compilation albums, documentaries, and ongoing celebrations of his music, including the annual Bob Marley Day in Jamaica, have kept his influence alive. The enduring quality of Marley's music lies in its timelessness. His songs continue to resonate with audiences, and new generations discover and appreciate his work, ensuring his enduring fame. To summarize Bob Marley's fame as a result of his pioneering role in reggae music, his universal message, Rastafarian influence, captivating live performances, iconic albums, global appeal, political impact, media exposure, enduring legacy, and the timeless quality of his music. His life and work prove that music can indeed transcend time and borders, impacting generations to come.